Welcome to the 2025 Stellar Nova has arrived, and it's making waves in the automotive world. Designed to turn heads, this futuristic masterpiece is a testament to the brand's relentless pursuit of innovation. The exterior of the Stellar Nova is a blend of aggressive styling and aerodynamic precision, making it one of the most striking vehicles on the road. Let's start with the front fascia, which features a bold, cascading grille flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights. The lights are integrated with adaptive technology, ensuring maximum visibility while giving the car a signature look. The Nova's hood boasts sharp creases that flow seamlessly into the sleek body lines, emphasizing its dynamic profile. The side profile is equally impressive, with sculpted panels that create an interplay of light and shadow, giving the car a sense of motion even when stationary. Its 21-inch alloy wheels feature a turbine-inspired design, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. A low, sloping roofline adds to the Nova's sporty demeanor, while frameless doors exude sophistication. Moving to the rear, the Stellar Nova doesn't disappoint. A full-width LED light bar connects the taillights, creating a futuristic effect. The integrated spoiler not only improves aerodynamics but also adds an aggressive edge to the design. Dual exhaust outlets with chrome accents complete the sporty look. Step inside the Stellar Nova, and you'll find yourself surrounded by luxury and technology. The cabin is meticulously crafted, with premium materials like Napa leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood trim. A minimalist dashboard design ensures a clutter-free environment, focusing on what truly matters: driving pleasure. At the center of the interior is a massive 15-inch touchscreen display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. This serves as the hub for the car's infotainment system, offering everything from navigation to climate control. The driver also gets a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display vital information. The seats in the Stellar Nova are a highlight. They're ergonomically designed, offering optimal support during long drives. Ventilation, heating, and massage functions come standard, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. Ambient lighting with 64 color options allows you to personalize the cabin atmosphere to suit your mood. Performance and design go hand in hand, and the Nova's story is steeped in history. As the flagship model of Stellar Motors, the Nova has been reimagined for 2025, boasting cutting-edge technology and a design philosophy inspired by space exploration. It's a reflection of the brand's heritage, blending tradition with modernity. The Stellar Nova is loaded with advanced features, from autonomous driving capabilities to over-the-air software updates. This car is built for the future. Safety is paramount, with an array of sensors and cameras providing 360-degree coverage. The Nova's starting price is $75,000, placing it firmly in the premium segment while delivering exceptional value for its offerings. The 2025 Stellar Nova is more than just a car. It's a statement. With its stunning design, luxurious interior, and rich history, it's set to redefine what we expect from a premium vehicle. This is the future of automotive excellence, and Stellar Motors is leading the charge.